my way up to Vaughan to see Frank at Autobahn salon. We're gonna pick up some pads to start polishing on the RDX tomorrow. Conrad dropped off the car yesterday, so we got a lot of work done this morning after seeing Frank, which is actually my first time seeing his shop, right? So I'm excited to see maybe some of the cool cars that are there, as well as how his shop looks and how he kind of operates a little bit. So it'll be a nice visit. This is gonna be the second half of the day. I know Andrew is gonna be coming by this evening to give us a cut. So it's been a pretty busy day. I will try to vlog as much as I can. First car that I see parked out Autobahn is Rolls Royce. Oh, jeez. These are some products on display. As soon as you come in, you have some IGL coatings, some Jetscar, and this seems to be like the front desk right here. Just finished up at Frank's, picked up a few supplies, had a nice talk with him, and then also Joel, who is a representative for IGL, discussed a few things regarding coatings and where the industry is kind of at right now with Frank's experience. It's a lot of valuable information, and I really appreciate Frank for kind of mentoring me and teaching me and showing me everything that comes with, you know, someone who's been in this service, in this industry for 30 years, right? So yeah, that was really cool. I plan on coming back on Saturday, hopefully, if he's free to talk some more.
You have to stop. Truth is, we owe our wall.
So this is after hours at Kodawari. We got Andrew stopping in the house for the first time.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna give the crew some treatment.
Yeah,
right?
a little freshen up.
Hair is could use a little freshen up.
Yeah, the Koda boys.
So we're about to get Koda fresh, right?
Yeah.
It's not just for the cars; it's for our hair too. Alan, what do you?
So get it.
I don't know. I'm gonna just let the minstrel conduct himself, yo. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we got.
Magic, yo.
We're currently set up underneath the mezzanine.
My hair is very coarse.
Yeah, I know.
Very coarse.
Coarse and dry.
Super Asian here.
Yeah.
So you'll groom, stamp. Groom, stamp on here. Just stamp, 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 stamp.
Yeah.
And then groom with your fingers.
Jeez.
Here you can just go like this. Groom, stamp, groom, stamp.
Less.
Right.
There you go, my youth.
My
Hey.
respect.
No problem, bro. Okay. All good. Who we got next?
Cuddle, your turn.
Wants to grow out. But up to you. We can keep it disconnected as well. Want the hair to be able to move freely. Used to it.
You're on camera right now.
Oh yeah?
Oh, you forgot, yeah.
Yeah.
Just getting used to it, right?
Yeah.
I saw myself on camera the first time.
Yeah.
Freaking cringe so hard.
I feel like I would cringe so hard too.
Like just hearing
voice.
your own voice made me cringe so
That's
hard.
what I mean. That's what I feel like right now. Like hearing my voice, I'm just like, who the hell is that? Like,
Yeah.
what the hell? That's how I sound.
Yeah. I want to thank Andrew for coming by and showing some love to the team. It makes me so happy to see him working in a field that he's so passionate about. I've known Andrew for a while, and he's He's been through quite a few jobs, but now that he's landed on going to school to become a barber and seeing his passion, seeing his drive, seeing how much care and attention he puts into his craft and his service, you know, I think this is going to be something that he's going to excel at. So thank you to Andrew for coming by and getting the team coat of fresh. Yeah, I'm still in the process of learning how to vlog. That's why a lot of my clips are kind of, you know, I start off with something, but I don't always finish off with getting the right kind of footage. It's still really awkward and new for me to be holding a camera, carrying it with me. I think that's just something that I'm gonna have to continue to practice more of, because that's gonna allow for me to kind of do a better job at vlogging what I do day in, day out here at Kodawari, and to kind of just bring you guys along. Yeah, it was a good day. Alright, so today is Thursday. It's just myself, Alan, David, and Kang at the shop today because Sherry's working remotely. Same with Chris, and Cindy's in school. I'm just about to jump on a call with Kaval from Make It Shine Detailing because I need some help with pricing out jobs and orders with customers, right? I've kind of been stumbling and trying to figure out how to properly quote customers on services they're providing. So Kaval's been running his detailing shop for about 5 years now, I believe. And he's definitely got a lot of knowledge and experience in terms of figuring out how to price. Yeah, I'm gonna try and vlog a bit more today because we will be finishing most of the RDX. Yeah, it should be a pretty fun-filled day.
But yeah, anyways, I gotta run. Let's continue this conversation and take it from there.
Okay, thanks, man. Have a great day.
Alright, cheers, man. Bye.
I'm really grateful to be kind of connecting with, you know, people like Kaval and building relationships with like-minded individuals, and I think that's the beauty of putting yourself out there and kind of being vulnerable and kind of showing the world the kind of business that you want to build, the relationships that you want to connect to. So yeah, Kaval is a really, really cool guy, and I can't be more grateful for having met him. He's invited me out to a Speed Academy show and shine, as well as a tracking event on September 27th. He'll be teaching me how to drive on the track for the first time. You know, I've gone on the track before with Billy and the guys at Tires 23, but I've never, I guess, had the drive or the courage to actually go on myself. But now that, you know, I have a car that's so capable and I really do want to learn, and it is something that I really want to get into and improve my driving skill, improve my driving ability. All the cars that I tend to really buy are driver's cars, and I want to be able to kind of enjoy that aspect of the car on the track as well as on the street. Alright, so Howard just came by to lay some ant traps for the shop. We've had a little bit of an ant situation. It's not terrible, but they are climbing on the counters in the kitchenette, so he put a couple of traps. I think we just have to seal some of the smaller cracks to block up their entry point, but I'm gonna go home so I can grab payment to pay him, and then any chance I can get, I'm gonna be driving the NSX and the S2000 because you know what? Winter is coming and these cars are going to be stored for the winter, so just trying to enjoy these cars before we have to put them away for storage. So I actually can't get into our complex with the NSX because it's so low, so I just park outside. Wow, what's going on here?
I didn't see you.
Hey Maggie.
I came back after dropping off Vincent because I forgot she's gonna get a haircut.
Oh. Man, I don't think I'll ever get tired of walking up to this car. up, guys?
What's up, yo?
Car's looking friggin' sweet. What do you guys have to say about this job so far?
It's pretty good. Yeah. The paint before coming in was already really good. Because this car only has like what 13,000 kilometers.
Yeah, it was beige though.
Yeah.
Just probably was improperly washed, but nothing like too crazy. Like just standard swirl marks from being rubbed probably incorrectly, but it's turned out really good so far. Right? We're not even finished like finalizing it.
Yeah.
But it's looking real good, man.
Showroom shine.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
gonna be amazing when you see it.
Yeah, I think Conrad's gonna be really happy with the result. So, great work, yo. I think Kang's coming back from Markham with lunch for us. So, he should be back with some goodies. Look at that. Mirror finish. Woo-wee! So the wheels are off the car. We're gonna clean up the tires with some Terminator sap removal just to get all the gunk off the tires, prepping it for the dressing. And then we're gonna hit it with some iron removal. Pretty much run through the whole decontamination process with the wheels before we coat it and having it look its best. This is what the wheels look like right now. Tires are pretty dirty still. So we're gonna clean the barrel as well. Brake buster removed a lot of the caked on brake dust, but there were still a few spots that kind of really being stubborn. So what we do is we spray on the Iron X, which breaks down the metal, and then it helps kind of remove any of the really stubborn areas. So we just spent the majority of the day finalizing all the polish work for Conrad's RDX. Tomorrow we'll be coating it, glass, trim, all the painted panels, as well as the wheel. The guys did an amazing job with polishing the paint, and it just shines so nice, right? So I think after the ceramic coating is done, we can officially stamp the car Coda Fresh and ask Conrad to come pick it up. So, with these vlogs, I feel like it requires a lot of planning, right? And that's an area that I definitely lack. So hopefully doing this more often and actually working on my planning will result in a better vlog. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this content. I hope to be able to start producing better vlogs and to make it a little bit easier to watch, right? But if you guys like this kind of these kind of videos, if you guys are interested in what we're doing here at Kodawari, then let us know. Like and subscribe.